Hello and welcome back. Now there are issues we saw on last lesson, and one of them was about responsiveness. So our website was not able to respond, but when I figured it out, I found that we are dealing with the mobile, which is Android, and even another thing that we were able to face is that when you click next button, it was not able to go next, and all that is because sometimes you will find that in Expo or in Android and developing, there are some features that are actually require some more settings when you want to work both on web and on Android. So because of that, um, we have to rectify our code, and after rectifying our code is when we can get to know the exact figures that we require, or exact code that we require in order to come up with the solution of that problem. So first we can start by looking at which additional packages we need to install. Then we go to code. Okay,